Right guys, here's how to dismantle a Honda Blackbird mirror once you've taken it off the fairing. You have to start with two bolts. One's here, one's there. When you take them out, you can take out the mirror itself. I'll show you. So the bolts are out now. That one's still in. It's not important for now. Now you can take out the mirror. It's mounted on a bracket. There we go. This is the bracket. And this is the inside of the mirror. So if you loosen that screw and this little nut inside, you will then have the screw loose and the stopper bracket, and you can then dismantle the screw on the bottom side. Mine's a little damaged, as you can see. And when all that's loose, you can take out the bracket. And there it is. Right, good luck guys.